Alex is pretty good. He came up to me. We played what was it, Salem Place, the Living Center yesterday. He comes up to me and says, "Jimmy, when you announce me, tell him that I'm an excellent banjo player and good looking."
Jimmy had to go to church today.
Thank you, Jimmy. Check the mail. We love blues. We love these blues. Wait, there's more? Yeah. You mind taking this off? I said, blues, stay away from me. Ah, blues, want to set me free. I don't know quite just why blues keep haunting me. Love never meant for me. Like this somehow, we never can agree. Cheer me up, Mary. Back your love that used to be. What do you got, Gene? I said, blues, stay away from me. Want to set me free. It seems somehow blues keep on haunting me. It just seems like some